up, y'all? I am here because I want to share my adventure in revamping my room. I'm finally getting around to restyling my princess blogger room for you. And of course, yes, I'm gonna paint it pink. So basically, I have been brought to attention to Magnolia paints, and I am giving you the Ella Rose color. I'm not sure if this swatch is doing it justice right now, but she is the most beautiful blush color I ever have seen. No, I just think it's gonna be perfect because as you guys have seen, I do have hot pink chair. I have a hot pink like vintage style rug as well. So I wanted something that was like subtle, but I wanted something more than just white and cream based. So I'm taking you through this process. I'll show you little glimpses of what my room looked like prior to it even getting to this stage. But yeah, these walls have been needing to be painted for quite some time, and I've just been a procrastinator. I just haven't done it. So I'm getting around to it today. I'm gonna have my wonderful boyfriend helping me out painting because he got some skills and I don't really know what the heck I'm doing when it comes to the painting. But I'm so excited because I just stopped by Ace Hardware and I got myself my Ella Rose. That is the color that I'm painting it. I'm so excited. I think she's gonna be beautiful. But I got my paint, I got it in the eggshell. And then also then for my trim, I am gonna stick to the true white. And again, I got it in the Magnolia Homes paint and I got it in semi-gloss. So I think that'll be really pretty. And then I might, after all of that's done, I might need to go back, maybe get some new trimming and stuff like that to really make her done like up real nice. But for time being, the paint will suffice. So my boyfriend and his mom decided to surprise me and start working on my princess blog room. And basically I got home and they had started already on clearing out the room. They already got the bed moved out and everything. And hey girls, and all my stuff out of the way to then add my rug and chair. In here I don't have anything else. On video, say hi.
What's up?
Violet, say hi.
Oh, no.
Thinking about putting my desk and whenever I get a stool like here, my mirror, and then, I don't know, we have to figure out what I want to paint the room. I already have that closet full of things already, clothes and stuff. But anyways, yeah, I'll keep you updated on my process. And pardon the mess, because it's just getting set up. But I got a stool from my new princess blogger room. Yay! It's gonna go here whenever I get like my vanity or desk, whatever I decide and find. And all this will be gone. It matches perfect. Yay! All right, y'all, so she painted now. This is the Ella Rose. She's so pretty. I'm so happy. So we just have to wait and let it dry. Just a whole bunch of pink for you. But yeah, and then that's all my junk that I have to bring back in here. But yeah, just letting it dry, and then we will finish up the trimming. I think we're getting new like crown molding and everything like that, so it looks like extra nice. But then I'm gonna paint it, Burley, get out of the paint. I'm gonna paint it like that semi-gloss true white, which is gonna be real pretty, I think, with it too. Ooh, Burley, did you get in the paint? Did you want to be a pink poodle? Say, I'm sorry, Mama. How am I gonna get that out now? Jeez. So guys, now that the room is all dried and everything like that, you can see that I brought my chair back in because I can't stop like doing my videos for y'all. I have to keep working on things. So I will let you know that the trimming and the floors, I've been looking at different hardwood flooring or like the laminate, even like the wood tiles, everything like that. Been checking stuff out, and I think I'm gonna end up redoing a lot more than planned originally. I figured might as well just do it all at once, get it done, and then it's gonna be real fabulous and I'm just gonna be so happy. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end up changing the floors to like maybe like a darker wood, and then I'm gonna do the trim, maybe do the crown molding like we talked about, and then probably maybe like redoing my doors and like for my closet and everything like that. So I got quite a bit to do, so I'm gonna end up doing these in another video for you and bringing you them in just like either one or two or so more segments just to give you an update. But yeah, this is my room now in the Ella Rose pink paint from the Magnolia Home series, and I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's like, I love blush, so of course it's perfect for me. I love it. If y'all liked this little home renovating video of painting my room and seeing like a little bit of the before, what it looked like, it was a disaster. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of still is right now, everything out in the hallway. Whew. But if you liked it, please, please, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and click that bell. That way you always are notified every time I upload a video. Exactly, because you want to see the rest of my room getting redone, right? So other than that, please leave me any questions and comments right down there below. I love to read them and get back to you with answers, and I just like hearing them and conversing with you. So other than that, I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.